Hi guys, and welcome to FX Market Strategy. So today is the 30th of November and we're gonna start a new month, Monday the 2nd to Friday the 6th. We'll start with the dollar index. You can see the dollar index right at the middle here between one high and one low. So we did highlight the high, expected high and expected low in the range for each instrumentation. So we expect the dollar index to continue going up, then later will be coming on. Watch out this week, full of news. There is CAD news, Australian and New Zealand. There is OPEC meeting. There is unemployment for Canadian and the US. So there is a lot of news, and also the pound. European ECB president speech. So there's a lot of news. So this week is going to be volatile. Okay, so just watch out. Don't be involved in too many things at the same time. Once you have a positive, profit in one trade, secure it, then jump to the second one. Don't overload yourself with so many trades, then you may end up in a loss or so. So just play it safe. So we have a panel on the left side here, you guys. It will give you the currency we have. So this one is USD index, and the time frame is daily, and that's the price. Okay, and that's the percentage of change. So it will be cool because I don't have to write all the stuff by my hand. Okay, it will be automatic showing. So dollar index, we do expect to go up. What does this mean? It means the euro dollar is going to be going down, the gold is going to be going down, and when the dollar index start to come down, then the gold is going to go up and the euro is going to go up, just like that. So okay, we also expect the euro to go up, then to be coming down. Okay. Pound, watch out. Pound has been an uptrend. This was like a resistance, then it did break above, it did retest, now it did take off again. So it either continue going off straight like this as a pound index, or it come back, retest here again and take off. Anyway, so we'll be looking to buy again in the pound. Just make sure you trade small time frames, okay, because pound is very volatile and a lot of news and may opening gaps and stuff like that. And try these days to close your trade before the end of the week, especially in something like the pound or stock market or gold. Things are get affected really badly with news. Franc index, you can see it's moving between this high and low, and it's in a downtrend in the 4-hour time frame, so we expect further down. JPY index, this will depend on the stock market. If the stock market will come down, which we expect, then this will push Japanese yen down. This means JPY pairs are gonna come down, but this may go one more up. Okay, so this may go one more up, then come down later. Especially here, you may get a little bit more up. So watch out, JPY pairs may be not ready for sale yet. Canadian, watch out, we have unemployment on Friday. So we'll be looking to go up a little bit to this level, then come down. Okay, it has been ranging in this area for a long time. Australian, watch out for the cash rate this week. So possibly no change. Anyway, so technically we're looking for another down move in this area, and this one, two, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times this support did hold, so we expect it to hold it here again. So wait a little bit, the Australian index to come down a little bit, then start buying Australian. Also, if you look at the MACD, this has been going up, which is good, good for us. New Zealand, this is possibly is gonna come down here first as a big correction, because this need a little bit of correction, or change direction, it depends. Then it will continue to go up, but watch out, this probably is gonna come down a little bit, so could be also a sale against some stuff. DAX, watch out, the DAX never changes that's a daily. 1, 2, 3, like 2 weeks has been hanging here. What does this mean? This price is no longer or interesting for the buyers. Okay, they're no longer want to buy that price. And watch out, the price is too far away from the green trend. Usually when this does happen like this, you will get a correction or a reversal like this one. Every time, see, like this, like that, like here. So maybe one up, maybe not, then will come down. So this will be possibly a sell. Watch out the news. If the unemployment in Friday is positive and good news, this may push the stock market. YM is Dow Jones, you know, US 30. So this may push the stock market up and get one more push up. Okay, but this needs some correction. Gold, watch out. If the stock market does not fall and the dollar index will increase, this means maybe at the beginning of the week he may get another small move in the gold up. Then on Friday, if the NFB is very positive, then the dollar index is gonna, you know, go up, then the gold is gonna crash. So watch out, there's a potential of gold to crash on Friday. US crude oil, we have said before that this is area of selling, there's no buy at all, and that was really good. It did fall like 300 bips, 340 bips or so on Friday. That was really, really good. We have a sell. So what do we expect? We expect something a little bit funny. So we expect it to come a little bit here to around 54, you know, 50, then go up a little bit to 56.15, then come down again to 53. Then from here we'll take off. So in this range, you know, probably gonna trade small time frames, no problem. You can buy or sell with small time frames, but focus to go first to 53, then buy from there. Okay, 54, do not sell crude oil. It will be waiting to buy. Okay, don't sell below 54. Even if it's gonna go 52, it's not worth it. Wait to go down, then buy it. Okay, it's not gonna go below like 50 or anything like that. USDJPY, this maybe get another 50 pips or so up. It depends on the news on Friday. If it's positive, it's gonna take the dollar index up. Then if the stock market also is going up, so Japanese yen is weak, this is gonna continue up. But this is too far away from the trend line and the 4-hour time frame. Every time this does happen, it has to come back to the trend line to do a correction or a reversal. Okay, so just like this, every time it does go up, either go sideways or do a correction, come to the trend line. So we have this scenario right here, we have this case. So we do expect a down move. Either if the news is really negative, so we'll be falling to 108. If the news is positive, so we should get a correction to 109 first, you know, 50 bips down, then take off to the same area, 110 maximum. So it depends on what's gonna happen Friday. This could be something like this, then go back up, then later on it will come down. Okay, Euro New Zealand at the beginning of the week, if the New Zealand is really weak and the euro is strong, so we may go up to 1.74. Okay, so at the beginning of the week, that's a daily time frame. We may get like a buy first. You can see start of a buy here in the 1-hour time frame, like this, the smaller time frame. We can take this buy for 100, 150 bips. Then later on, we're gonna focus to sell 1.74. Euro dollar, just as we said, so we do expect to come down to this level, then we'll go up. So it's ranging, it's going up and down in this area. There's no major trend, there's nothing really major. You can see in the weekly has gone in this channel forever, you know, like this is the down one, and this was the trend up one. Every time it does go up to touch the trend, it come down to this lower channel, it will just touch it, then go back off. So what we expect, a little bit coming down, then going up, touch the trend line, then coming back. We're just gonna expect the same thing to happen over and over till some major news or big central bank do something. Nothing in the in the foreseen future. So pound dollar is the same thing. So we expect a little bit coming down, then taking off. So a small correction, then buying. Okay, so we're looking for a buy in the pound. The pound may be open in a gap this week. Bitcoin, this possibly a buy in the 4-hour time frame. You can see a change. We have said buy at 7,250 here last week, so it has been going up. I think this is gonna go back to the 9,000. Pound CAD, this also a buy as all the pounds. USD franc, so we expect a small correction, then going up. USD CAD, we expect a little bit down, then going back up, then coming back down. So this is going to continue to be a little bit choppy, Australian dollar, wait a fall here, another 60 bips or so, then buy it. Euro pound, a small correction up, then we're going to look to sell this one. Euro Australian, maybe we'll get a move up, like 100 bips or so, then fall after that. Euro Japanese yen, there is a buy signal here. So we may get another move of 100 bips or 150 bips up. It depends if the stock market will continue to go up, then after that will fall. Pound franc is the same thing like the pound, maybe a correction to this red line or to the green line, just like these ones, or sometimes, you know, get only to the, like this one. You see, that was to the red line. So a small correction, then taking back up, going back up. Canadian yen, watch out, there is some news. So maybe a small movement up, another 20-30 bips up, then coming down. Pound Japanese yen, a small correction also, then continue going up. New Zealand yen, maybe a small up to the, that's New Zealand Japanese yen. So New Zealand Japanese yen in the 4-hour time frame, so you actually expect a down move in this one. And pound New Zealand, we expect a small correction down, then going up. Watch out, this has been going in a channel. So this is pound New Zealand. You can see has been going in a channel up and down, you know, but I think this is gonna break to the upside, and there's gonna have, you know, a very strong move to the upside. So we're looking for upside move of, you know, 700 bips or so on this one. So watch out, this channel is not gonna continue forever. It's gonna break to the one side, and I believe it's gonna break to the top side. Okay guys, thank you, and please trade safe, and I wish all of you guys can be in a good profit and make really good money this week. Okay, please trade safe and watch out for the news. Thank you and have a wonderful day.